Brentford FC has always had a strong link to Irish players, but this season in particular, it's emerged as the Irish club in the Premier League. With former Irish international Keith Andrews as their manager, Irish captain Nathan Collins, he also wears the captain's armband here at Brentford, and the one and only Caoimhín Kelleher between the sticks. It's all of a sudden become the team to get behind. Well, you've hit the ground running since coming in as head coach. How has it all been?
It's been enjoyable. Yeah, it's been testing on occasions, but working with the players and the staff day to day is an absolute dream.
Is it everything that you expected it to be, being a manager?
Probably the highs, the lows, what you expect it to be on a day-to-day basis is non-stop, really. From the second you get in, you think you've got more time than you've got on a daily basis, and quickly learn that you don't. Because I've seen both sides of it as a player, I suppose, so I've always looked from afar and thought how I would do things.
Captain Nathan Collins joined Brentford in 2023 for a record-breaking $23 million.
I love the club, I really enjoy it. Since I've got here, been very welcomed in.
And it's pretty unique that you're captain of your country and also captain of your club.
It's the only things you dream of as a kid, isn't it, to be able to do these things? It's a bit surreal, obviously, when it first happens, but now I'm getting used to it, I'm getting in the hang of it a bit, and still learning from people that have been in the role before. It's huge for me to progress as well, but hopefully I'm growing into the role.
It does have an Irish feel here at Brentford, which does that help to get over here, to settle, to play in a team when you have so many Irish faces around you?
I think so, a little bit. It's not easy, moving away from home, leaving all your friends. You sacrifice a lot to be able to do this, but listen, at the end of the day, there's nothing you'd want to be doing than training on a pitch now.
The legendary Irish goalie Caoimhín Kelleher, he signed to the club in June of 2025.
You spent 5 years at Liverpool. What was it like to leave? Was it difficult?
Yeah, it was tough to be fair. Obviously, I did 5 years with the first team and then I had another 5 years in the academy, so it was 10 years in total. No, it was never easy, but I know I'm going to be playing week in, week out, and then playing for my country as well. So it's yeah, definitely added to my confidence and given me a lot more to do even better.
What was it like to face someone like Cristiano Ronaldo?
No, it was a nice moment, to be fair, personally for myself.
Did you talk to him after?
No, I don't think he wanted to speak to me.
Didn't want to shake your hand. So your partnership on the pitch, it requires you to know each other inside and out. So I'm going to test you on how well you know each other. Are you ready? Okay, first question. Who gives out to who more on match day?
It's probably you to me more. I try to stay positive, so it's probably Caoimhín.
Who's first to say sorry?
Probably me, because I'm most likely making the mistake.
Who's most likely to laugh in a serious moment?
You.
I think we know the answer to that one. Who kisses up to the manager more?
Oh, don't.
Why do you think he's captain?
And the final question, who's most likely to have a book in their kit bag?
Like an actual reading book? A picture book.